be talking about how to find the area of a triangle. Fascinating, right? Anyway, here in this image we have a triangle. No, this is a square. Yeah, duh, that's a triangle. So, to find the area of a triangle, we have to multiply the height times width. So, pretty much in other words, it's 7 times 24. What is that? Well, if you said 168 inches square, you're right. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Let's try an example. So here we have another triangle. Our height is 7 inches and base is 5. So we multiply 7 times 5. If you said 35, you were right. Now because we're finding the area, we add inches squared to it, to the end. So our answer is 35 inches square. Hope you enjoyed that video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Smash that subscribe button. Bye and see you next time.